Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell website with Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin. Selling websites is a profitable way to make money online. A site can be worth 20 to 50 times its monthly net profit. However, without careful planning and timing, you might miss out on getting maximum profit. Thus, before you sell your website and start a new online business, learning how to optimize it and what makes it valuable is essential. How to sell a website in 5 steps. If you have decided to sell your website, following a plan will help you do it efficiently and profitably. Here are 5 steps for selling a website. Step 1. Evaluate the website. Understanding the website's value is necessary to avoid selling it below its market price. Likewise, a price set too high risks discouraging interested buyers. Net profit is total revenue minus operating expenses such as hosting plans, domain names, marketing costs, and employee wages. In addition to the average monthly profit, consider the multiple of your online businesses. A site's multiple include valuable assets like traffic sources, revenue streams, domain authority, business age, quality backlinks, and social media following. These factors are important as they inform interested buyers about the website's potential in the long term. Step 2. Increase the website value. If the site's current worth is lower than expected, you can still take several steps to increase its value before selling it. Optimize site performance. Optimizing site performance can increase its value as a site that loads slowly will drive visitors away. Some of the best strategies are: use a fast host provider, which is vital to website performance. Set up a content delivery network CDN deliver content faster. Select a fast loading theme. Remove outdated and unnecessary plugins, which can reduce the site's speed and threaten security. Step 3. Find the right marketplace or broker. Finding buyers might be challenging for those new at selling websites, especially if you want to sell them online and independently. Using a website marketplace or hiring a broker can expose your online business to a larger pool of potential buyers, speeding up the process. With many marketplaces and brokers available, it's important to choose a reputable one that fits your website type and conditions. Some popular marketplaces include Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Motion Invest. While some only accept e-commerce and content sites, others list SaaS businesses and mobile services. Thus, conduct prior research on each marketplace and carefully analyze their terms of service. Step 4. Prepare financial and traffic reports. When convincing potential buyers, merely claiming the site has significant profit growth potential is ineffective. Buyers will want evidence, so backing up such claims with data is necessary. A well-structured financial and traffic report helps to establish credibility and efficiently communicate the site's value. Moreover, marketplaces and website brokers typically require sellers to submit a profit and loss statement and a traffic report for the listing. Verified buyers will then get read-only access to the statistics. To obtain traffic statistics, link the website to a web analytics or search engine optimization tool like Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Ahrefs. Step 5. Optimize your profits before making a listing. Before listing an e-commerce site, for example, it's best to reduce your involvement in the online business. When doing so, look out for cost-saving options to maximize profit. Consider hiring a virtual assistant for day-to-day business operations, as they charge online businesses according to their working hours. Delegate content production by hiring reliable content writers and designers on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. To keep branding consistent, create a style guide document outlining the content's current tone and voice. Moreover, if you're running an e-commerce store, seek third-party services to manage order fulfillment and automate the business process. Some reputable e-commerce fulfillment services include Amazon FBA, Ship Network, and ShipBox. Also, ensure all necessary data related to the site is transferable. For example, if you handle emails on a personal account, get a professional email address so you don't get caught up in the new owner's business. Furthermore, a professional email hosting service streamlines communication and establishes credibility. and that's it. So that's basically how you can sell website with Hostinger. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.